America will never fall to communist invasion. Commencing tactical assessment. Red Chinese threat detected. Democracy is non-negotiable. Engaging Red Chinese aggressors. Freedom is the sovereign right of every American. Death is a preferable alternative to communism. Chairman Chang will fall. China will fall. Communist engaged. Communist detected on American soil. Lethal force engaged. Democracy will never be defeated. Alaska's liberation is imminent. Engaging Chinese invader. Communism is a lie. Initiating Directive 7395. Destroy all communists. Tactical assessment. Red Chinese victory. Impossible. Communist target acquired. Anchorage will be liberated. Communism is the very definition of failure. The last domino falls here. We will not fear the Red Menace. Communism is a temporary setback on the road to freedom. Embrace democracy, or you will be eradicated. Democracy is truth. Communism is death. Red Chinese infiltration unit eliminated. Let freedom ring. Memorial site recognized. Honoring the fallen is the duty of every red-blooded American. Patriotism subroutines engaged. Obstruction eliminated. Ground units initiate Directive 7395. Destroy all communists. Scanning defenses. Scanning results. Negative. Warning. All personnel should move to minimum safe distance. Warning. Subterranean Red Chinese compound detected. Obstruction depth 5 meters. Composition sand, gravel, and communism. Tactical assessment. Breach compound to restore democracy. Objective reached. Liberty Prime. Full system analysis. All systems nominal. Weapons hot. Warning. Nuclear weapon payload depleted. Reload required. Warning. Power core offline. Running on external power only. Core restart recommended. Ability to repel Red Chinese invaders compromised. Diagnostic command accepted. Voice module online. Audio functionality test initialized. Designation Liberty Prime Mark II. Mission: the liberation of Anchorage, Alaska. Primary targets: any and all Red Chinese invaders. Embrace democracy, or you will be eradicated. Democracy is truth. Communism is death. Anchorage will be liberated. Revised stratagem initiated. Aquatic transit protocol activated. Probability of mission hindrance 0%. Core systems initializing. Targeting parameters offline. Recalibrating. Hostile software detected. Communist Communist subversion likely. Liberty Prime, back online. Freedom is the sovereign right of every American. Democracy is non-negotiable. Proceeding to target coordinates. Fusion core reinitialized. Liberty Prime, full system analysis. All systems nominal. Weapons hot. Mission: the destruction of any and all Chinese communists. Probability of Chinese victory: impossible. Initiating Directive 7395. Destroy all communists. Aerial incursion by communist forces cannot succeed. Updated tactical assessment. Red Chinese presence detected. Global positioning initialized. Location: the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. Birthplace of American freedom. Designation: Liberty Prime. Operational assessment. All systems nominal. Primary directive: war. Area classified as active war zone. Engaging sentry protocols. Weapons hot. System diagnostic commencing. Mobility complete. Optic beam fully charged. Nuclear warheads armed. Defending life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Only together can we stop the spread of communism. I hold these truths to be self-evident, that all Americans are created equally and are endowed with certain unalienable rights. Victory is assured. American casualties unacceptable. Overkill protocols authorized. Glory is the reward of valor. Defeat is not an option. Obstruction detected. Overland travel to target. Compromised. Probability of mission hindrance: 32%. Cultural database accessed. Quoting New England poet Robert Frost: freedom lies in being bold. Accessing dictionary database. Entry: democracy. A form of government in which the leader is chosen by vote and everyone has equal rights. Accessing dictionary database. Entry: communism. A form of government in which the state controls everything and people are denied freedom. I am Liberty Prime. I am America. Scanners operating at 100% efficiency. Enemy presence detected. Attack imminent. Mission proceeding as planned. Defense protocols active. All friendly forces remain in close proximity. Democracy is the essence of good. Communism, the very definition of evil. Freedom is always worth fighting for. Democracy is freedom. Communism is tyranny.